Hey everyone, I'm Eric Vaughn, pro stylist and K18 ambassador and salon owner out of Houston, Texas. And I'm here today on set with K18 to do an epic transformation on my gorgeous model, Ebonique. We are so excited about this transformation using the K18 PRO Mist. The K18 PRO Mist helps reverse existing chemical damage and helps prevent further damage during the chemical service for long-lasting results in just 4 minutes. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and section Ebonique into 4 quadrants so that way I can have ease of control as I start my K18 PRO service. Now I'm gonna begin the K18 PRO service with the K18 chelator, which is a blend of 5 different chelators in one. So make sure you give it a really good shake before you use. This is such an important step to eliminate metals and minerals so you don't have unpredictable results during your color service. The chelator spray also works as a prep agent for the PRO Mist. So after you use the chelator, you don't have to prep the hair with water. This preps the hair for you. Once the chelator is thoroughly saturated and brushed through, you don't have to rinse. You just let it sit for 4 minutes and you can move on to the PRO Mist. The K18 PRO Mist is a crucial step of your coloring process. It has a high enough pH of 7.5 to 8 to swell the cuticle open, delivering that instant result of the K18 peptide, helping to repair previous damage and help prevent further damage during the chemical service. You want to deliver at least 10 up to 20 sprays per quadrant. I always use the PRO Mist behind the chair because it gives me the safety that I need and the relief knowing that I can enter the chemical service and not worry about what's gonna happen during the service. I know I'm going to have strong, healthy, gorgeous hair. The other thing I love about the PRO Mist is that it does not have emollients in it, so it will not interfere with your color service. And it allows for so much freedom of expression because you can push the limits like you couldn't before. And you give this 4 minutes and that's it. You don't rinse, you don't do any other step, 4 minutes. You can actually go mix your color and by the time you come back, she's ready for the chemical service. This is my gorgeous assistant, Carly, and she's gonna be helping me today through the chemical process. Today, we are going as blonde as possible, but we are also going to maintain the strength and integrity of the hair. I like to PRO Mist before I tone. Number 1, to repair damage and help prevent further damage through the toning process, but also to help open up that cuticle. As we know, the mist swells the cuticle open. So I want that when I tone. Now that we've fully rinsed, towel dried, and we have our perfect damp canvas, it is the perfect time to go in with the Molecular Repair Hair Mask. For her hair, I'm going to do 2 pumps. The mask is incredible to use, especially after color, because the pH brings the hair back down to its natural resting pH to help close the cuticle and add so much health and condition to the hair. One thing I always love to note and show everybody is how evenly and how smooth the brush glides through after you apply the mask. And here's our finished result. I am honestly so thrilled with how far we were able to push her hair while maintaining the integrity of her curls, which is the number 1 most important part. I'm gonna finish off the look with just 1 to 3 drops of the Molecular Repair Hair Oil. And I'm just adding this in to add a little bit of extra shine, anti-frizz, so this curls can look nice, bouncy, and beautiful. Ebonique, what do you think?
I love it. I'm honestly so excited. I haven't been this blonde ever. Usually when I get like highlights, they go caramel, they go warm, and this is like icy and different, but it still looks healthy. When you were brushing my hair out in the bowl and there was like no hair in the comb, that's never happened.
That's honestly thanks to the K18 PRO Mist and the whole K18 PRO service. Adding that peptide and driving it directly into your hair really does save the day. Thanks to the K18 PRO Mist, I was able to realize my vision on stronger, more resilient hair.